Judge Mbenenge Sexual Harassment Inquiry, Power, Consent, and Ethics. The sexual harassment inquiry into Eastern Cape Judge President Selby Mbenenge has shocked South Africa's legal and judicial circles, as well as the public at large. Mbenenge is accused of sending suggestive videos, images, and text messages to a complainant over an extended period. These actions allegedly occurred in the context of a professional relationship, highlighting the power imbalance that lies at the heart of this case. What complicates the allegations is the conduct of the complainant, who occasionally appeared to reciprocate Mbenenge's advances. In certain instances, she engaged in flirtatious exchanges with the judge president, raising questions about the nature of their relationship. Yet, we must consider that many victims of harassment, particularly in cases where there is an abuse of power, may not immediately resist suggestive conduct. Fear of reprisal or uncertainty about how to react can lead to passive or seemingly consenting participation. This case highlights an uncomfortable truth. Victims of harassment, especially when faced with someone in a position of authority, may not immediately dismiss inappropriate conduct. When individuals fear victimization or reprisal, or feel trapped in a dominant power structure, they may inadvertently act in a way that appears consensual or participative. However, these actions should not immediately or necessarily be construed as consent. Harassment is about the perpetrator's conduct, not the victim's response to it. The power imbalance in this case is particularly egregious due to Mbenenge's position. As judge president, he wields immense authority, not just over his professional subordinates, but also within the legal system itself. When someone in such a position of power crosses boundaries, it not only breaches ethical standards, but also undermines public trust in the judiciary. If the judiciary cannot hold its own members to the highest standards, how can it be expected to enforce the law impartially and justly? If Mbenenge is found guilty of sexual harassment, it could lead to his impeachment, making him the third judge president to be removed from office following Judge Motara and Judge Holobi. However, this would mark the first instance in South Africa where a judge president is impeached for sexual harassment. His behavior, if proven, would not only be morally reprehensible, but would also call into question his fitness for office. A judge with such disregard for professional boundaries is not fit to hold such a significant position.